I'm working every day with data and insights from instruments all over the world. At Malvern Panalytical, our customers rely on the performance and accuracy of their equipment to maintain peak efficiency. But instruments, like all technologies, need continuous monitoring to keep performing at their best. That's where Smart Manager comes in. We monitor critical parameters like temperature, pressure, and operational health, and when we see something moving out of range, we act, often before the customer even realizes there is a problem. We don't just wait for issues to happen. We use the data to predict when an instrument might need attention. This can prevent costly downtime or more serious repairs, saving our customers valuable time. We're constantly in touch with customers, providing guidance when needed. At the end of the day, it's about giving them peace of mind, so they can focus on their work, knowing we're here in the background, keeping things running smoothly.